It's certainly been raining a bit. All this water coming down from the top of the mountain by the reservoir, flowing down the channels over here. Just now, when I get over the mountain, I'll take a video of the little waterfalls and stuff. Some of the water coming down the fish path. And that is the little waterfall on the Fish Hoek side of Elsie's Peak Mountain. Also a bit of water coming down this side. And then the last video of the water is of it coming down here by ravine steps in Fish Hoek. Almost at Fish Hoek Main Road. But yeah, hope everybody's having a great day. Bye!